Bike life. Always safe. Always outside.
Good morning. Oh my god, are they open? I'm here in Kingston at the boulevard. They're closed. 10 a.m. I have 30 minutes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I waited so long for them to open, but it was well worth it. Got my printout, which came up to 3 photocopy, black and white, for $60. I think I was expecting it to be more, so really glad about that. Now I'm gonna be back on my journey to head over to the garage, bring you guys along with me, and yeah, I want to edit a video today and get it up for tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. How about that, guys? Completely just ended the video right then and there. Apologize. But yeah, they're running tickets like crazy today, and today is what? A Tuesday. So just know when you're driving on a Tuesday. I didn't go swear up in the video. Good morning. It's been a while since I picked up the camera to actually vlog. I'm gonna use the rice cooker to bake some sweet potato fries. This is what my precious rice cooker is looking like. And I'm gonna have to put it over by where, not the rice cooker, not me saying rice cooker, I mean air fryer. Let me move the air fryer over to where I'm gonna set it up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. The air fryer is all in motion. I got some potato wedges, and fortunately for us, on the back it already comes with like air fryer instructions. So it says preheat. So we got the air fryer on. We're gonna preheat the air fryer to 200. So I'm gonna turn the temp down to 200. Fill basket with approximate, okay, so we'll just start, but I don't know for how long. 9 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna raise the time to 11 and it's gonna preheat. Can't see right there. What they're looking like after 11 minutes. I'm gonna pick out a small one. It's not too hot, and it does taste finished, like cooked all the way through. But I'm gonna give it 4 more minutes at 200, just because I'm feeling safe. 4 more minutes at 195, and then I'll be back. Barbecue sauce, I guess. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm done now, and obviously, well, not obviously, the potato wedges from earlier, and I just tried it, one of them at least, with the sauce that I made, and guys, man, I like the noise. It's nice. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
This is not personal. It's rude. But I'm trying to figure out a way. Can you give us a second?
You're just being emotional.
If Hobby dies, we have no leverage against them. We are as good.
I won't get her killed, Wendy. Okay?
She'd be getting herself killed.
What? I don't like this angle. I actually tied my hair up like this because I went walking this morning at 5:30 a.m. I went walking for half an hour, guys. I was gonna walk for an hour, but I had stuff to come back and do, so I needed an extra 30 minutes inside. I'm gonna take this down. Whew. It's been a while. I'm trying to get back into the vlogging spirit. Tell me why Ashley Carla texted me and Anisha asking if we can go on, if we're free this weekend. So remember, I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, so I was like, what's going on? So obviously nobody else was up. Then Anisha texted around 7 a.m. and then I was like, Ashley, wake up. So then she texts us, are you guys free? So I was like, what's going on? So we just been texting in the group. I'm about to listen to the voice note now. Guys, I'm on the phone with Kai. Say hi.
Bro, why do I always wake up so late? I'm gonna let me get the first one.
Yeah. It'd be like that. Guys, I just finished editing the video that I've been editing forever. So I'm trying to get it to export now, but I also have to get ready because I'm heading on the road somewhere Ashley invited us. I'm gonna start off a whole new vlog when I head on the road. So this is in a whole other vlog. I have a bunch of random clips, so I'm gonna put that together and just call it a random vlog. I need help, but I do need to pack and get ready. Also, when I come back from the trip, I'm going to donate some stuff, so I'll just show you guys me organizing those things, you know. And yeah, this door mesh as well. You can find it down below in my Amazon storefront. And this air fryer you can find in my Amazon storefront. The Instant Pot you can find in my Amazon storefront, and the juicer you can find in my Amazon storefront. So if you're ever looking for any of those things to make your household more smart, you know when they say a smart house, yeah. And then this is great for if you want to open your door but you don't want no insect to fly in, you know, no want to creep in your house. That's what you get, this right here. So check my Amazon storefront down below. The link is literally like the 4th link in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready because I'm already late. Peace. Also, I'm watching Aaliyah, and you guys, I always like if I watch a video, like it's automatic. I mean, I didn't get to like it yet, but it's automatic for me to like a video, like automatic, unless they do something in the video that I don't like, that, you know, something cringe or something disrespectful, then I take my like back and I exit stage left. And that's all you have to do. You don't gotta drop no mean comments. But anyways, bye. Guys, why is all my favorite sites denying me? Well, not favorites, but Flow denied me talking about suspected fraud. I'm just like, how, Sway? How? Anyways, I think that's kind of nice though, I guess, but it wasn't fraud. And now Dang is talking about there's an error sending your request. What does this mean, child? Like, I'm trying to send myself some credit. I don't have any credit, and I'm trying to send myself credit to make a call, and I cannot. I don't, boy. To drive out with Chad, and I'm just getting him a Pepsi, and I'm just gonna get myself a water. Yeah, gonna get myself a water. Crystal Punch. Yeah, I'm gonna just get a big water for the day. What? Oh, Corona. Can't listen to Maxima, people. I'm the one who was dancing in the bike vlog. We're gonna get Patty. I'm here with Chad, but he doesn't want to be recorded.
If you want to do it after that, just keep it. Hello?
Guys, these two need to start a bike channel, you know.
Bike channel?
A bike channel, yeah.
Can't do it, man. Simple and good.
I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too.
We stopped real quick in the juicy patty, and I got 4 cheese patty and 2 box drink. It came up to $1,320. So yeah, rich people food, guys. Rich people food. Alright, guys. Anytime you up here, put on your name. Even though I'm planning on giving money.
It's always you.
So pretty.
But even when I leave, I fall right back into gear. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, going through phases.
Jamaica just undefeated champion. So when you have a river party, are you not inside? Guys, watch Chad. Him say Niagara Falls down there, so. Wow. I need to find my Crocs because times like these I could just wear my Crocs straight across. Let me just leave my shoes on the bank. I'm gonna walk over there, guys. Oh, got it cool. It's cold.
I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Cold-blooded.
Good morning, B Squad. So yesterday was quick little drive out, and then the day before that we were getting ready to go to the villa in Mobi. So I'm back with the random vlog. I had a little treat last night before I fell asleep, so I'm gonna wash up the dishes and everything and get ready to go into Kingston, and then I'm gonna head into Spanish Town. So come with me. I'm on the road again, heading into town, and now I hope the camera isn't shaking a lot. This car has this tray, so I pulled out the tray and I set my tripod up, and I don't know, I'm just hoping it's giving what it's supposed to give when I start editing this footage. I've been listening to audiobooks. I remember, I think it was about a year and a half ago, I was listening to so much audiobooks, and then I haven't really been listening to them. And then when I went back up to New York, I started listening to audiobooks again. Move from behind the car here. Yeah, I've been listening to them ever since I got back to Jamaica. I just haven't been listening to as many audiobooks. But this morning I did download a book to read. I downloaded a book to read called Scythe. It's really good. It's really good. It looks like Scythe. I haven't started reading Ugly Love yet. I'm on like page 54 of Scythe though, and I started reading it last night. It's giving. And then back to my original topic. I have a Lord of the Rings audiobook for the first book, The Fellowship of the Ring. I'm on chapter 14, The Council of Elrond. Guys, I'm such a nerd. Like, if you haven't known, if you didn't know, now you know. I love Lord of the Rings. I love Game of Thrones. I love, like, literally every sci-fi, fantasy, anything, Star Trek, and I love Star Wars. Like, I'm differential. Is it differential? Impartial to the two of them. Some people have either or. When it comes to Star Trek and Star Wars, like, I think mom likes Star Trek more. She doesn't really like Star Wars. But yeah, I like those things. So I'm gonna try to finish chapter 14 today while I'm driving, and then hopefully I'll get back on trend, because I should have finished the whole thing already. But it is what it is. I'm in the Patrick City, Washington Gardens area now. Please, you're in two lanes. You're in two lanes. I've got a car. so much traffic. It's 9 minutes after 10, so that's understandable, but it usually isn't this bad. Fortunately for me, I have a turn off, so I won't be sitting in this long traffic. Imagine if you're going all the way in town. Yeah. I think I completely forgot. I'm meant to tell you I'm going to the movies tonight. It's supposed to be with me and Ashley. But either way, I'm gonna try to go to the movies tonight. I went and I looked on Sunshine Palace, which is a movie theater in Sovereign, and I'm not sure if there's any other movie theaters. I think there's one other movie theater in Portmore, but I cannot recall the name. I went and I looked online because we were gonna go watch Morbis. I'll pop it up here, and I don't see it. I don't see it at that location. So the other one that we wanted to watch was Secrets of Dumbledore, and if you remember earlier, I said I was a little fantasy nerd. I loved Harry Potter as well. Loved. I love Fantastic Beasts, so the Secrets of the, you know what, if we end up watching that, I'm going to play it in the background today while I do some work, so I can at least just have a, you know, a good memory of what's what. But I'm gonna check to see the other movie theater and see if that one has Morbis, which I swore I saw a movie theater sign yesterday. A movie theater sign yesterday, and I saw Morbis. So
He wished he was far away. The ring gleamed and flickered as he held it up before them in his trembling hand. Behold! He sealed you with fame, said Elmo. Boromir's eyes glinted as he gazed at the gold.
It's gold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when
guys, I'm here in New Kingston. I had to make a quick trip back on the road. I actually listened to the audiobook. I'm almost done with chapter 14. And I read 1.5 chapters of the book that I've been reading. So now I'm going to watch and whenever they get to this scene, he tells her to take a deep breath, and I always try to take that same deep breath and see if I can hold it. I don't ever hold it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna come back and let you know, honestly, if I made it.
it's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Evaluation office took so long. It took over an hour for them to see the car, and then it took another 30 minutes for them to get me back the valuation. So it's almost 3 o'clock now. I have to chop it in the speed limit to the insurance office, and then on top of that, these cars out here driving like them in a NASCAR or something. Oof. And I understand, you know, the lure of driving fast and chopping the road, but sometimes there do some things where it's like, that didn't even make sense. That was very uncalled for. So I'm on my way into something now. I put the chicken in the fridge to thaw because I don't know if you remember me talking. Well, I'm saying I don't know if you remember me talking as if that wasn't probably like 5 minutes ago video time. But yeah, the chicken that I was gonna thaw to cook from earlier is in the fridge. So sometimes this is some places are good, but just peer so I can see more of the inside. I put the chicken to thaw out. I'm not gonna buy anything. Like, I really feel for some KFC. Like, I really would love some KFC wings, because that would make like 3 times. If I bought KFC today, 3 times in almost a month and a half that I've had KFC since I've been back. So I'm very proud of myself. Very, very proud. But we're trying to save over here, or we're trying to at least spend realistically. So I'm gonna go home, do some baked chicken and some rice. The only thing I probably would do is buy some vegetable, because I don't have like sweet pepper, green pepper. I think I have a sweet pepper though. Have onion, have garlic. I really want to try that trend that they were doing on TikTok by putting the garlic in the oven. Since I'm going to put my chicken in the oven, I'm gonna try do it. So I think I'm gonna, while I'm in the insurance, while I'm in the insurance office, guys, I'm gonna look up some like garlic chicken recipes and see if the garlic I put in the oven can be used as like a coat for the chicken. I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm not even going. I am. But if I don't find anything, I'm still gonna do it that way and just season it some more with some other things, and then use that garlic, because I'm gonna have a whole heap of garlic for no reason. Do separate baked chicken, garlic chicken, and then I think I might do a separate barbecue chicken, just so I can have some variety and meal prep. But one thing I learned from TikTok, or that I think is a good idea, is to meal prep in bulk, because this girl was talking about how she didn't like the individual packed out food, so she meal prep in bulk so she can customize her food during the day. So she didn't have to grab one container of chicken and rice. She had a big bulky container of chicken, a big bulky container of rice, big bulky container of A, B, C, and D, and then she just like a buffet bowl. That's how she meal prepped. So I thought that was a great idea, so I'm gonna try that. I'm not far from the insurance place, but them people here just don't know how to drive. It's like, come on, the man, go. You know, sister, the light changed long time. Sorry. Sure. Sorry guys. Anyways, that's my sign to go. And it's not even road rage. It's like, alright, you are turning, you have the right of way, you're turning, your light is green, they're coming from over yonder, and it's not even like you let out one person, but you let out 4 people. Like, do you not know the road code? It's some old lady. I feel bad, but man, I really feel bad, man. I feel bad. Oh, man, I feel bad.
Every time I try to resist you, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish your way. We don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
at work and he's buying me some Chinese food for lunch. I'm still gonna go home and cook the baked chicken for dinner. But yeah, I got it what I got it. This guy watch me. I'll be right back. Dirt bombs, dirt bombs, dirt. You guys get the point. This is an OOTD. Oh, this is not the floor I was meant to be on. Their floors doesn't have numbers. That was very confusing. Or the elevators didn't have numbers. Yeah, it's been a long time since you guys saw Kyle, so let's go check him out. Look on Kyle. Look on Kyle. Kyle look good today, guys. Normally when we see Kyle at work, Kyle's a leisure. But look at, well, today's a dress down day, but look at the shoes. And it's a nice polo top. Wow, with the black mask.
You know, if I make it look like
boy, no man, tell you got the dark wash jeans. Kyle don't normally look like this, so this is this is good.
I like the shit. I like the shit.
But this is really good. I'm proud of you, son. Tell me why Kyle had scrolled through my Instagram being a hater.
I'm not hating. A huge amount. I'm
huge
hating
amount.
someone.
He bought us lunch though. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the lunch. It was really good.
You know more, no? He got this trip of Yaman.
And I invite you?
Yeah.
It was all creators except for Chad. It was all creators.
Okay, so if it was all creator, if Chad went, you could have said,
that's my man.
What? Me no business. You're going like something else if you can't just be like, yo, well, go. Set up the thing. But no. No respect.
That one was sponsored content. That one was sponsored content.
The face thing?
Not my phone being dead. Now you have to charge my phone because you definitely killed my phone.
It was already dying.
Alright, cut the camera. Cut the camera. Cut the record. But it is for free. You can respond now.
I'm going to talk business while you record because next thing I know, I see somebody.
I just gave Kyle a business idea and I told him it was for free. All of a sudden, I can't talk business.
Because the camera's rolling. The camera's rolling. We're keeping that proprietary information proprietary.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'm gonna fly the drone around here now. I'm just gonna have to come up very high.
No, it's too windy around here.
No? I can go into sport mode. Sport mode handles
Oh. Yeah, so you just have snippets.
Alright guys, I'm leaving Kyle.
I'm leaving you.
No, I'm leaving you first of all.
I'm leaving you. You see, I'm getting in the vehicle.
Only because I have to run Kyle because I'm gonna block my door. Kyle's company, you have a great employee here. This one is a good one.
Please tell them.
Give him a
raise.
Give him a raise. Go on to Sagicor don't have a customer. You know how some places might have like those review or leave a response.
Just respond on your IG page.
And be like, Kyle Sims is one of your best employees.
Yeah,
blow up their Sagicor.
Wait, they're not paying me for this.
They're not paying me for this neither.
Okay.
Don't go comment, y'all guys. But just know that Kyle is one of the best employees here.
Yeah.
Don't go comment because I'm not paying for that.
No, for we good.
Yeah.
I'll leave it at that. Later.
Do you think B Squad? Huh? Oh wow.
B Squad.
That was so
dead, right?
Yeah. You know when the pastor was like, I didn't hear that. Can the what they call the something they call?
B Squad. Better.
Still very. I'm just gonna.
Get better than that today.